Welcome to our tutorial on how to share your screen on Discord Mobile. I'm Yakin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. So first off, go ahead and open up Discord application on your phone. Once that opens up, you can choose any server that you like and simply go to the voice channels. Right here, from the voice channels, you can choose any channel that you like. Here I just have general, so I'm just gonna click on general and click on join muted, or you can unmute the microphone if you like. And once you have joined the voice channel, what you need to do is simply swipe up from the bottom screen like this, and you should be able to see this option that says share your screen. You can simply tap on it, click on try it out button, and now a pop-up will appear that says start recording or casting with Discord. You can simply tap on start now and your screen would be shared. So that's how you share your screen on Discord Mobile. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching.